Do you see what's wrong in this video? There's actually a really big problem happening. Can you see it? Well, here are your three options. So, option one, this bug on top of the leaf. Option two, this bug on the bottom side of the leaf. Or option three, these little white specks on the leaf. If you chose option three, you got it correct. The little white specks are actually bugs called aphids, and they are a huge problem. They reproduce at an alarming rate, and they literally suck the liquids out of the leaves of your plants. The bugs in option one and two are ladybug larvae, and they are actually good guys in the garden because one single ladybug larva can eat hundreds of aphids per day. If you want more gardening tips and advice like this, then you're going to want to follow this account because I have so much more to show you.